Hello friends, now I will discuss about Sambalpur University Physics Chemistry Entrance Question 2014 paper and also PDF available in the description box. The first question will say the carbonyl stretching frequency of para-nitroacetophenone is greater than para-aminoacetophenone in the IR region because of in this is the structure of para-nitroacetophenone and para-aminoacetophenone, and nitro group has electron donate withdrawing nature, that is mesomeric effect. It will pull the electron density from the benzene ring, and the carbonyl group which present in this para nitroacetophenone will be electron deficient as compared to this 4 amino acetophenone, because in case of this amine 4 amino acetophenone, this pair, the nitrogen lone pair uh, take part in conjugation with the benzene ring as well as of this carbonyl group. So electron and so the electron density is more in the carbonyl center in case of this para amino acetophenone as compared to this para nitroacetophenone. So the uh, carbon carbonyl bond in case of this para nitroacetophenone is more stronger as compared to this para amino acetophenone. So the stretching frequency depend upon the bond strength. So bond strength, okay. So the bond strength of this para nitroacetophenone is more as compared to this para amino acetophenone. So the stretching frequency is more in case of this para nitroacetophenone as compared to this para amino acetophenone. So you are seeing here the minus mesomeric effect of this nitro group. So the correct answer is minus mesomeric effect. Correct option is C. Next question we'll see the number of signal observed for 2-butanol is you know that this is the butanol structure, and the number of signal here the it has this molecule has no any type of symmetry like plane of symmetry or axis of symmetry. So it has different of proton, and so it has different proton and one diastereotropic proton at 4 position. So total number of signal is 6, and I have written here wrong. So the total number of signal will be 6. Okay. So correct option is D, none of these. And also another question, Raymer-Tevin reaction associate with which intermediate? That is, we'll see this is the mechanism for the Raymer-Tevin reaction. The chloroform treated with this base and extract base this proton, and after that chloride elimination and carbene intermediate form. So and the intermediate which form is in carbene. So this is the intermediate, carbene intermediate, and after that this carbene react with this phenol, okay, and form this type of aldehyde as product. Another question, the which of the following molecule give the give the Lassen test, okay. Which of the following compound does give positive test for nitrogen under Lassen test, okay. You have to remember two things. For the Lassen test, the compound must have carbon and nitrogen elements, and those who have not such type of carbon or so it is necessary carbon and nitrogen for the Lassen test only, because in the Lassen test there will be formed sodium and carbon and nitrogen fuse to form sodium cyanide. So if there is no any such type of element like carbon is absent, that molecule or that compound doesn't give the Lassen test. If okay, so for Lassen test there is carbon and nitrogen element is necessary criteria. So in hydrogen you are saying hydrogen there is no carbon, only NH2 NH2, so it doesn't give Lassen test. And ammonium acetate, for ammonium acetate there is NH4 group and acetate group. although here is nitrogen and carbon is present, but here the nitrogen present in this ammonium acetate doesn't combine with this sodium, or doesn't fuse with this sodium metal. So that's why it doesn't give Lassen test. And for nitrobenzene, you say nitrobenzene has carbon and nitro group, so it has also nitrogen element and carbon element, so it is possible this nitrobenzene gives Lassen test. Okay. Another question, butane 2,3-diol on oxidation with iodic acid. Okay, gives that butanol. You are seeing I have written here the structure of this butanol 2,3-diol. Sorry, not butanol, 2,3 butane diol. Okay, when 2,3 butan diol react with this iodic acid, form this type of cyclic intermediate, 5 member heterocyclic intermediate. After that, cleavage of this bond takes place like this and form 2 acetaldehyde. So the correct 2 acetaldehyde. Okay, 2 acetaldehyde molecule will form. So two molecule of acetaldehyde form. Okay, the correct option is A. And the ascending order of carbanion stability, ascending increasing order of carbanion stability. Okay, that means you are saying the here the ascending means increasing order of carbanion stability. Okay, the carbanion stability depends upon the withdrawing nature of the any functional group, or also depends upon the resonance. So if there is any types of withdrawing nature, withdrawing functional group is present, the carbanion stability will be more. So in case of this, you are saying here is ester group. So the carbanion which contain ester group will be the more stability, will be more stable as compared to other, because here is no any such type of withdrawing functional group. And you are saying also here is present one benzylic carbanion. So benzylic carbanion has carbanion uh, resonance with this benzene ring. This benzylic carbanion take part in resonance with the benzene ring, and this allylic carbanion is stable, but this benzylic carbanion is more stable as compared to this allylic carbanion. And finally, least stable is this methyl carbanion. So the correct option is C. C is your correct option. And which of the following axiom is expected both geometrical and optical isomerism? For geometrical isomerism, there should be any type of E or Z type of isomer, and for optical isomerism, there should be a chiral center. And you are saying from which of these following compound has both of these two isomeric properties. You are saying in case of this B compound, there is B compound has E geometrical isomer, because OH and this bond is trans to each other, so it is E isomer, it is geometrical isomer. And is optical isomer is that CH3 carbon containing carbon is chiral center, because of there are because of here two different groups are present. Another question, which element liquid at 25 degrees Celsius at 1 atmospheric pressure? And you know, phosphorus is solid at 25 degrees Celsius, and bromine is liquid, iodine is solid, and krypton is a rare gas, and it is a gas. So bromine is liquid at 25 degrees Celsius. Correct option is B. A flame test performed to confirm the identity of metal ion solution. The result was a green flame. Which of the following metal ion is indicated? Then green flame, I've written here the copper blue green, strontium blue white. Strontium it is given blue white, sodium yellow, zinc colorless. So correct option is copper. Copper give blue green, green in the flame test. Okay, thank you.